Good day everyone. So this will be our first topic under the teaching science in elementary grades. Specifically, we are focused on biology and chemistry. So our first topic in biology, so we will determine what are the branches of science. So we have here our fundamental branches of science, which is also the basis of methodology. So we have here the first one is we have empirical science. So this is basis on observation and as well as in experimentation. So it is also capable of being tested for validity and reproducibility. So we have here empirical science can be divided also into we have empirical science, we have natural science, and we have social science. So next one we have natural science. So it is also a branch of science that seeks to elucidate the rules that govern the natural world. So by applying an empirical and scientific method. So it is also divided into we have natural science, we have physical science, and we have earth science and life science. So as you can see, so science is divided into empirical science and we have the formal science. So under the empirical science, we have natural science and we have social science. So under the natural science, it is also subdivided into three. So we have physical science, earth science, and life science. So when you say physical science, so it is also the study of inorganic world. So when you say inorganic world, so it does not study living things, but then those are studied in biological or life science. So physical science can be divided into two. So we have here the physics, we have chemistry, and we have astronomy. So under the physical science, we have physics. So when we say physics, it is the study of matter and energy, as well as the interaction between them. And it is also a general analysis of nature conducted in order to understand how the universe behaves. So it is also natural science that studies matter, as well as behavior, and also its motion through space and time. So next one under the physical sciences we have chemistry. So chemistry is the science that deals with the composition, properties, reaction, and the structure of matter. So we have the different branches of chemistry. So it includes the organic, inorganic, and so on. So another one is under the physical sciences we have astronomy. So it's the study of the universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. So it is also the study of the different branch of astronomy. So we have here the astrobiology and astrophysics. So we go now to the branch of earth science. So the first branch we have oceanography. So when we say oceanography, we have the exploration or the study of the ocean. And it is also the study of the physical and biological aspect of the ocean. Another one, we have the paleontology. So it is also a branch of earth science that study the forms of life that existed in prehistoric or geologic periods. So paleontology is the study of the history of life on Earth as based on fossils. Next one, we have meteorology. So meteorology is the science that deals with the atmosphere and its phenomena such as weather and climate. So it is also a branch of atmospheric science which includes atmospheric chemistry and atmospheric physics with a major focus on weather forecasting. So another branch of life science, which is also what we call genetics. So genetics, it is the study of heredity. So it is also a branch concerned with the study of genes, genetic variation, and heredity in organisms. So we go now to empirical science. So under that we have social science. So it is the branch of science devoted to the study of societies and the relationship among individuals within their societies. So the term social science was formerly used to refer to the field of sociology, which is the original science of society. So social science commonly used as an umbrella term to refer to a plurality of fields outside of the natural science. So we go now to natural science. So under that natural science, what we call earth science. So earth science is, or what we call the geoscience, includes all fields of natural science related to the planet Earth. So this is also a branch of science dealing with the physical and chemical constitution of Earth and its atmosphere. So Earth science can be divided into, we have geology, oceanography, paleontology, and we have meteorology. So we go now to geology. So it is also under the earth science. So when we say geology, it is also the science of origin, history, and structure of the earth, and the physical, chemical, and biological changes that it has experienced or it is experiencing. So it includes the study of organisms that have inhabited to our planet. Okay, so we go now to botany. So botany is under also with the biology, which is in life science, which is the study of plants. So plants to most people means a wide range of living organisms, from the smallest bacteria to the largest living things. So we go now to zoology. So zoology is also under the biology, which is in life science. So zoology is the science that covers animal and animal life. So it covers also with areas ranging from the structure of organisms to the subcellular unit of life. So we go now to formal science. So formal science is also a branch of knowledge that are concerned with formal system. So they are used as prior methodology for knowledge development. So properties of formal system based on definition and rules. So it includes mathematics, logic, theoretical computer science, information and systems theory, statistics, and some aspect of linguistics. So we go now to applied science or new branches. So this is the application of scientific knowledge or what we call the transfer into a physical environment. Applied science differs from fundamental science, which seeks to describe the basic object and force, having less emphasis on practical application. So for example, in the field of applied science include engineering, applied mathematics, applied physics, medicine, and computer science. So another one, we have the emergence of interdisciplinary subjects. So one branch of science uses knowledge and techniques from other branches of science to solve its complicated processes. So most of the recent discoveries and invention in one discipline have resulted from the joint endeavor between different branches of science. For example, light, which is the study in physics, is the energy source behind the chemical process of photosynthesis or food production in plants, which is the study in biology. And that's the end of our discussion for today. So for your activity, so you have to give the branches of science and give the importance of each branch. So I hope you have learned something for today. So have a great night, everyone.